Welcome to my channel. Today you will learn how to create a shine effect to text in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for Lighting Effects and apply it to your text layer. Under the Effect controls, the ambient intensity is increased to 100%. Click the rectangle mask and drag it on the left side of the text where you want to start the effect. Make the shape a long stretched rectangle shape. Once you're done, return to the Effects panel and keyframe Mask Path to start and click on Mask 1 to reveal the mask. Now, move the timeline forward and move the mask to the other side of the text. Preview the animation by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the shine effect working its magic. Now you know how to create a shine effect to text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.